Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Zyra. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. What's up? Today I'm about to make a video that was been highly requested. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to, first of all, I just want to explain something. Last night, I drank this, okay? I drank this little bad guy right here. And I was pretty messed up because I took shots of this. By the title, y'all can already see what's gonna go on. And it's just gonna be a simple, quick video, just something for you guys, because you guys been, expecting this video, and I've been telling you guys I was gonna record it. Well, without further ado, let's get on to the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video.
I swear to God, you stupid bitch.
So, as you guys can see by the title, today I'm making a video showing you guys how and where you can get colors to make lip gloss, eyeshadows. This video has been highly requested after I made my how to make a vegan lip scrub video. It already has like 2,000 views, which is pretty insane. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below and I'll answer those questions or whatever. I can always do a Q&A, a business Q&A or anything like that. So for the first thing I'm going to show you guys is these colors right here. Where I get my pigments from, this is the first time I'm exposing my brand that I use. They're a really good brand, and a lot of people's some people bash them. I don't know why, because they're vegan, they're cruelty free, their products are really affordable, they're super cheap, and they have everything. I'm talking about cosmetics. If you are a person that likes bright colors, I have a couple bright colors here that I'm going to show you guys that are all 6 grams. There's only one of them that are 2.5. My brightest colors would have to be this one right here. This one's True Blue. This one is really cute. This one I used for one lip gloss. I'll put a picture in here. That's the lip gloss I used for this color. This one is 6 grams too. It brings a lot. This was a couple bucks, I think $1 something. Look, I forgot all the prices. I haven't purchased anything for this in a while. I'm gonna get into the website right now. TKB, if you're wondering, stands for True Knowledge Beauty. I don't even need to look at the package because I just know, because I love this brand. If they sponsored me, it'd be amazing because I use their brand so much for my products. Hint, sponsor me. The next one I have to show you guys, Tanger and the True Blue. Really cute. The Tanger was 2.5 grams and this one is 6 grams, and you can really feel the difference between them. This one's really thicker and this one's really thin. TKB, this is True Yellow. This is what the True Yellow would look like if you purchased it. Really cute. This is our Scarlett O'Hara, 6 grams as well. This one I used in a couple lip glosses. As you can see, this is the price right here. It's really affordable. Definitely recommend this if you like pinks. Sparkle Rose, 6 grams. There's both of them. This is Scarlet and Sparkle. Really cute. The next ones I have an actual base, and that would be for this. This is an eyeshadow palette that I purchased. This is to make eyeshadows. It's a 4-color palette. These are magnetic, and you'd basically buy the plates to put in there, and to make your colors you would use the base and any color of these that you choose of your choice. So this one right here is just an Adam and Eve glitter. This is a purple glitter with different types of colors in there. I think it's blue glitters too, iridescent too. The sample pack of 2.5 grams. It has to be stored in a cool, dry area. This one is the only one that says that. Only some of these pigments are for lips, and only some of them are for eyes, and some of them are for both. Not all of them are for each thing, because some of them cannot be used for lip gloss. Next I have here is my 2 nudes. These are my favorite. I never used this one. This is brand new. I never used Oriental Beige. This one is TKB Reflection, and this is Oriental Beige. And these are both 6 grams. They're really heavy and thick. But that's all the colors, honestly, that's all of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a thumbnail. I'm gonna go ahead and line these up in my hand. This is where you can get your colors from, TKB. They are the plug. All links and prices will be down below. So if you're interested in to get any of these products, you will not regret it. And they're very affordable. You can get You can get like 10 things and spend only like $20-something. Like, it's so affordable. Last thing I want to show you guys that I use to put in some of my lip glosses or in my shipping things. They're just these little things you could buy on Amazon, and I just put them in these little bags. Like the TKB packaging bags are really, really good. I love how they package everything. Everything's just so neat. That I use for my products is my shipping bags. These are just black because a lot of you guys were wondering how I ship. 8x4, I believe. I got them from Amazon. I got 50 of them for like $2, something like that. I forgot. I even forgot the prices. It comes with a little tab here that you would just peel off and it would stick right away, and then you just close it. I usually put like a thank you thing here, and then my symbol, then my brand name, pink tissue paper, you know, make it cute. Yeah, that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and can learn how to get some pigments for your business or whatever you're doing. Definitely visit them, their website. Oh, I definitely recommend it. If you guys have any other video recommendations or anything you guys want me to do, don't forget to comment, because I'm always looking at the comments. I'm always answering comments. Always interact with me, because I'm always going to interact with y'all. I'm always looking to talk to you guys. Really love you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so happy that you guys recommended this, because was going to record a video about this, even if you guys didn't recommend it or not, because a lot of people will just use actual like food coloring for their lip gloss, and that's just like, no, we don't do that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in watching another video, don't forget to turn on post notifications, because I'm going to be uploading a new video coming very soon. Stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.